Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to use the Peruvian Outre half wig, and this time, the last time I did a half up, half down. My hair wouldn't blend, but I still made a way to do the half up, half down. But now, I just braided the little hair at the front of my hair. I didn't leave out too much hair, and then just for my hair to blend it and to have like a little bit of curls. So I did some twist out at the very beginning of my hair, and then now I'm just unraveling it, and then I'm just going to proceed to blend it with the half wig and show you one style you can rock, like I will rock with the half wig. And just to be sure, not to be sure, but just to say something, the hair is big. Like I'm not kidding. I was suffering in under this half wig, this unit, and I was like, oh my god, how I can style this in this summertime, like in this heat? I would die. Like I'm not joking. That's why I have so many easy hairstyle that doesn't have like a lot of hair, but this time I will show you at the end how I will style it, and at the very end how I will really style it for the whole week, because I usually wear my hair, the hairstyle this summer, the hairstyle for like a week, and then I switch hairstyle the next week. You know me, I always switch up my hair. And yeah, I just now you see me blending the my real hair with the half wig, and the point here is to blend, the beginning of the half wig. Like you see that hump of the half wig, you just need to blend that. And of course the tracks, you need to blend the tracks. But to be real, if if people doesn't come really close to they will not see like every details. But for sure you will see like some details. And now let me explain to you what I'm doing now. Now to blend my hair, I just took it inside the half wig. Yeah, I know I didn't leave my hair out like that. And then I just bring it back up using the ratel comb, so it will create the illusion to, like, it will just cover the top of the half wig and will look like, something more realistic than what it looked before. And then I just lift the hair up a little bit. First I just took it inside, and then I lift the hair up. And now you see me doing one hairstyle that I think I will work with that. But if it's too sunny, like if it's too you know hot outside, I will certainly just do a ponytail with my hair, because uh, I could not stand like having big hair in this heat. Like I would probably die. And yeah, this is one hairstyle. So you can leave it like that with the two twists in the front, and then pin the hair down in the front so it will be more secure, or just and then just attach it at the back, and do the little princess hairstyle, and this is how you can do. I think maybe I will buy the Dominican curly and I will do more hairstyle with that. But with this hair, I couldn't not do like much more hairstyle. But it will come soon. It's coming soon. So that's it, and that's how I style the hair for everyday wear. So this is another way, that another lazy way you can just pull the your hair up. But I found another better way than that the next day. So I found this way with no leave out, and this is the way that I'm going to style my hair for the entire week. And I'm so happy and glad that I found this way. I did a flat twist across my head while putting a gel and then setting my hair for like 1 hour and plus. And this is the result. I was going to unravel the braid, but I thought myself like this is the best way to for a no leave out type of thing, and it will still looks good. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.